The Kind Grandma. Once upon a time, a gentle old woman lived in a quiet hut. She lived all alone in the green countryside. Her house was hidden behind tall trees and soft grass. It was a very peaceful place to stay. The woman was very hardworking. She grew her own food on a small farm. She had bright red tomatoes and sweet green peas. She also had crunchy apples and juicy berries. She loved to see her plants grow big. She had many animal friends at her home. Busy chickens laid fresh eggs, and ducks splashed in the water. Fluffy white rabbits hopped around. Gentle goats ate green leaves. Her home was never lonely or quiet. Every morning, the old woman walked to the village. She collected leftover bread and fruit peels. She used these to feed her hungry farm animals. She wanted to make sure they all had a yummy breakfast. The village children were a little bit afraid of her. She always wore long, black clothes and a tall, pointy hat. She looked like a witch from a storybook. The children would hide when they saw her coming. The woman was a mystery to the people in the village. She did not go to the busy market. Instead, a friendly trader came to her house once a week. She traded her vegetables for bags of fluffy white rice. One sunny day, the woman saw a girl named Sinta. Sinta was riding a bright red bicycle. When Sinta saw the woman, her heart beat fast. She thought the woman was a scary witch and tried to pedal away quickly. Sinta was going much too fast and was not looking ahead. Suddenly, she fell off her bike with a loud thud. "Ouch!" she cried. Her knee was scratched, and it hurt very much. She felt very sad and scared. The old woman saw Sinta fall and walked over to help. She spoke with a very soft and comforting voice. She had a kind smile that made her face look warm. She wanted to make Sinta's boo-boo go away. The woman gently cleaned the scratch with a soft cloth. Sinta stopped shaking and felt much better. She was surprised. The witch was actually very gentle and helpful. Her fear began to melt away. Sinta felt better and went to school. She told all her friends about her adventure. Her friends were very curious to meet the lady. They asked Sinta to take them to the house the very next Saturday. The old woman was so happy to see the children. She welcomed them with a big, joyful smile. Sinta and her friends were excited to see the farm. They loved seeing all the happy animals in the garden. The children played games and ran around the yard. They petted the fluffy rabbits and the clucking chickens. The farm was a fun and happy place to be. They realized the old woman was a wonderful friend. From that day on, the children were never scared again. They stopped calling her a witch. Instead, they called her Kind Grandma. They knew she had a heart full of love for everyone. Everyone learned a very important lesson that day. You should not be afraid of someone just because they look different. True kindness is what matters most, and Kind Grandma was the kindest of all. The moral of the story is that we should never judge others by how they look. Even if someone seems scary or different, they can have a very kind heart. When we are brave and friendly, we can make wonderful new friends. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Kids love nature.